You can use the Add a Product tool in Seller Central to create a brand new product on Amazon, list a small number of products, or use a simple interface rather than uploading product information with a spreadsheet. This video will show you the steps for listing a new product. To get started, hover over the Inventory tab and click Add a Product, then click Create a new product listing. First, you will need to classify your product using the search bar or product category filters. Once you have located your item, click Select. If you do not see your product's category listed, it might require approval or it might be restricted. For more information, you can click Learn More. Next, supply all the necessary information to complete your product listing. Product information is organized by tabs at the top of the page. Fields marked with a red asterisk are required. It is important to provide all the required product information. Products with rich information, such as properly formatted titles, high-quality images on white backgrounds, detailed product descriptions, and bullet points, will help customers make well-informed purchasing decisions. Failure to supply the required product data could result in your products receiving quality alerts or being suppressed. If you have a product that varies in size or color, you do not have to add each of these variations separately. You can select the Variation Theme option and choose how your product varies. You will see an additional tab appear at the top called Variations. This is also called Parent-Child Variations. For example, let's say you sell one style of juicer that comes in 4 different colors. In this case, you would select the variation theme of color. The parent item, therefore, is the juicer, and there are 4 child items to add, 1 for each color option. Next, in the Variations tab, you can list all your variations and click to add. From here, you can update each child item with your offer information. That includes your seller SKU, the product ID, condition, price, and quantity. The product information that you fill out on the other tabs will be copied to each child. When adding a variation, be sure to supply an image for each child listing. In our juicer example, you would need to provide an image for each color option. When you finish providing your product information, click Save to finish creating your product. After saving, your product can take up to 30 minutes to display to Amazon and your Manage Inventory page. For more information, search for Add a Product in Seller Central Help.